Today, let's prepare some tasty burgers. And get to work. We will start by preparing our ground meat. For our burgers, we add salt, a little mustard, a little pepper, and we mix very well. These are not the only ingredients, show you more others. We will cut our bacon strips in small pieces. We will also use half an onion chopped into squares. That will give it a good flavor, but very carefully. And we turn on the kitchen. In a frying pan we will add a little oil. We add our bacon. After a few minutes we add the chopped onion. We mix well. Once well browned, we remove. Once the bacon has cooled, with caramelized onion, we add it to the meat and to give it a better flavor. Add chopped parsley and stir very well, so that they take in all the flavors. Now we will go make the hamburgers. But since we don't have a mold, we will use a plastic bag and a little oil. We will mold our own hamburger. You have to figure it out one way or another. In the end, with a lot of patience and love, it will suit us very well. And a secret, so that our burger becomes more compact, we will take it to store in the refrigerator. Meanwhile, we will toast our bread, but we will make a cream to toast. We add mayonnaise, garlic, dry oregano and mix well with this cream to seal the breads. The burgers are going to be very delicious, and we spread for all the bread without being stingy. If we are going to break the diet, you have to break it well, and so we spread it on both sides. We will proceed with our 3 loaves, because today we will prepare 3 different types of burgers on a plate. We will add a little oil. Once this is hot, we will put our breads to seal, but very carefully. After a few minutes, those breads will be ready. And now, let's make the hamburgers. If we don't have a grill, we will use the frying pan. In a frying pan we will add a little oil. Once very hot, and very carefully, we will cook our hamburgers. After a few minutes we turn around. We will let it cook for a few minutes, but all depending on the cooking turn. What do you want to add to your burger? On already toasted bread, we will spread a little homemade mayonnaise. Or whatever you have at home, no problem. We will place a lettuce leaf. We place our meat, accompanied by skinless tomato slices, and some onion rings. And look what beauty! Accompanied by their very crispy potatoes. And look, this is the first. Let's make the poor man's version hamburger. For our poor version burger, we will fillet a chicken breast. That we will fillet very carefully. And in a container we will place the chicken breast. We add salt, panka chili, mustard, dried oregano powder. We add ground garlic, pepper, a little red vinegar, and we mix with our hands, well mixed, so that it takes in all its flavor. We will let it marinate. We add banana, and we fry it with regular oil. After a few minutes we will turn it. We will proceed to remove them, and we will reserve in a container. So let's go for the other ingredients. In a frying pan, we will place the smoked sausages or hot dog, or whatever you have at home. We will seal on both sides and remove. Wait, there are still more ingredients missing. In a little oil, we will cook our brisket. We leave for 6 minutes per side, and we remove, and that's it. We will serve with our previously ready burger. With bread, lettuce, and our hamburger meat, we place our chicken breast, your smoked chorizo or hot dog or whatever you have at home, accompanied by banana slices. And to improve it, we add a fried egg. And with its very crispy potatoes, there is the 4 version burger. Now the broster burger is coming. Let's prepare it. And for our broster burger, or broster burger, we fillet the chicken, and we will make some small cuts for better cooking. In a container we place our breast. We add salt and a little mustard, a little pepper, dried oregano powder and silau, a little evaporated milk, and mix very well. We dip it in beaten egg. Then we pass through corn flour. We flour very well with the help of a spoon. So as not to get dirty, we remove and pass it again through egg to make it crispier and hold all the creams. And we return again to the corn flour. We begin to fry in a pan with very hot oil. We add our chicken and let it cook for a few minutes on both sides. Once well cooked, we will remove in a container. And we begin to assemble our Broster burger. And to cover, a sheet of Swiss cheese that I put previously. About 20 seconds in the microwave, and we will place peaches in syrup. It will give it a very rich touch, and we place a tartar, but with onion and capers. If you want us to show you this tartar, leave it in the comments, and see how delicious it looks, accompanied by a good portion of fries. And we finished our classic burger. Or version. And the Broster burger or Broster burger. And with all the creams, comment which one you like the most. The simple, or version, or the Broster burger. And remember that the kitchen is not there to compete, but to share. So let's share what we have to share.